this is definitely one of the louder exhausts. That's why AWE has a warning on their product page, and it's why it's called the Race Edition. It's meant for race cars. But would I keep this on a daily driver? Honestly, probably not. But I do know there's a lot of people out there that enjoy their exhausts on the louder side, and this is certainly that. And that's to be expected because it's essentially a straight pipe exhaust with a resonator. So it's a lot louder. But the resonator that it does have, I gotta say, does do a really good job of canceling out as much of the drone as it can. Now, it's not completely drone free, but it's not as annoying as some of the exhausts that I've heard before. It's kind of like the Touring Edition, but on drugs. A lot louder and more aggressive. The kid inside of me is jumping up and down and it's like, yeah, but the more mature side of me is like, oh, this could get really annoying. There's that fine line, and this is certainly toying with it. And once you throw other exhaust components on here, it's definitely gonna go way past that line. But as I said, some people enjoy that. Now, there's not really any more to say about the exhaust. Actually, that's not true. You are shaving about a little over 10 pounds because you're deleting that stock muffler. So that is another benefit. It's the same tip options and tip sizes as the Touring Edition, so it looks the same. And as I said, it's just louder and more aggressive. You still get the cracks and pops on those downshifts. And it really does sound good. I just don't think I could drive around everywhere like this, because with this exhaust, you are gonna hear it everywhere you go. But if that doesn't deter you, I'll leave a link down below so you can pick it up yourself. Let me know what other exhausts you guys want to hear in the Exhaust Bible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.